Turning off the screen lock on an Android phone is a simple process, but the exact steps can vary slightly depending on the brand and Android version. Go to the home screen. From there, swipe up to open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app, which usually looks like a gear icon. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Security or Security and Privacy, then tap on it. This section controls all your device protection options such as PIN, password, fingerprint, and pattern lock. Next, look for screen lock or lock screen settings and tap on it. The phone will likely ask you to enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity before making any changes. After verification, you will see different lock options like pattern, PIN, password, fingerprint, face unlock, and none. Select none to completely disable the screen lock. Once selected, confirm your choice when prompted. Your phone will remove the existing security lock immediately. After this, your device will no longer require any password, PIN, or pattern when unlocking. Instead, it will directly open to the home screen when you press the power button. However, keep in mind that disabling screen lock reduces your phone's security, making your personal data more accessible if the phone is lost or stolen. So, it is always recommended to use at least a basic lock like PIN or fingerprint unless you have a specific reason to keep it disabled.